Now, sources have told your channel that Vijay Mallya has left for London on the 2nd of this month this year, where he took the Jet Airways flight from Delhi. Sources say that it was a last-minute booking and that he is now consulting with his lawyers in London on how to make a settlement with the banks. Remember, earlier in the statement that Vijay Mallya made, the most recent one that he made, he had, in fact, spoken about how he's looking at a one-time settlement with the consortium of banks who have now taken him to court and also to the Debt Recovery Tribunal. We've got Aditya with us on the phone line. Aditya, exactly how did Vijay Mallya manage to leave India, even as there are banks who are seeking a stay on not just his passport, but also on any movement outside of the country?
Well, absolutely, Padmija. That's the biggest mystery that is surfacing at this moment. In fact, sources have told Times Now that Vijay Mallya, the liquor baron, might have actually left India already, even as the courts, even as the consortium of banks has reached out to the Supreme Court with a plea that his movements should be restrained immediately because there are fears that he might leave the country. Now, sources are also telling Times Now that it was a last-minute booking that Vijay Mallya did along with 11 bags. He rushed immediately to the airport and left for London on a Jet Airways flight on 2nd of March. He might be already somewhere in the United Kingdom at this moment. In fact, my colleague Danish tried to go to the residence of Vijay Mallya in London. He could not establish any kind of contact with him. But sources have also told Times Now that Mallya is in touch with at least 3 different lawyers. He's trying to make an out-of-court settlement with these 17 banks. But is it possible at this last stage? Now the banks are really losing their patience. There are several notices that have been issued. There are several cases also pending in the Enforcement Directorate and other tribunals against Vijay Mallya. He has to the tune of 9,000 crores to be paid back to all these public sector